Another machine supplied by Sharda Engineers Faridabad, just commissioned in East India. This time it is Assam, Guwhati, eastern part of India. Machine has just started yesterday. This is the tool grinder, how it looks like. This is the power connection, 3-phase normal 450 volt power connection. See how they are connected. They connected it with UPS. This is the way to connect compass there. This pipeline, pushes, pipeline. This is the tool grinder. Done by Mr. Mahavir. Here is Mr. Mahavir. What is your say on this tool grinder?
This is perfectly a great machine for sheet metal industries, mainly for punch division machines, where we can grind the tools with high accuracy and minimum, what we can say, cutting time period, all the things. And one more thing, that is this very special tool grinder, because any type of tool, means if you are using thick turret, thin turret, or any like insert type tools or something else, this machine is perfectly for all tools. Where in this machine you can grind all the tools. There is a number of things you can see here. I will show you that. See, these are the principals worldwide who are using thick turret machines. And this is with called trump tooling. Trump tooling, these companies are using trump type tooling. Apart from this, there is mortar type, salwar and alog also. So in this field, if you want to grind tools from different, what you can say, special type or something else, so for that you have to choose these options here, like you want to use thick turret. So see here, it shows the size which is less than 5 mm. A station, B station, C station, D station. So according to the size of the tool, you can choose the option, and after choosing the option, you can put your required data, which is like what
is the minimum grinding you can do?
Minimum is you do 0.001 mm.
That is 10 micron.
Like this is what 10 micron or
10
single
micron.
micron.
Yeah, 10 micron.
10 micron you can grind here also.
So it does the grinding also and polishing also?
Yeah, we can do also polishing here. If you want to polish some tools, we can polish here. The one option is the polishing time here. You can set the time here, and you will see that effect of what actually is done. The tool, its image is after like that, a mirror image.
Thank you, Mr. Mahavir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
This is the E station picture. This is the C and D station picture. And this is the toolbox. It just come along with the machine. And yeah, this is the 5 kVA UPS, just 5 kilowatt UPS. Sorry, servo. It's not even UPS. It is servo. Like this is the connection, how it is very systematic. And this customer is one of the largest customer in East India, having a huge powder coating booth, as you can see from here, just from a distance. Huge powder coating, almost it's a huge investment. And then number of presses. Here, this we are showing that with what kind of machines our machine is working in sync. Basically, he has got all Amada machines, 2 turret punch presses, and 4 numbers of press brakes. All Amada machines. So this is only way to show that our machine is working. All our tool grinders are working along with Amada machine, so fully suitable for Amada tooling. This is the press brake. These are two heavy duty tractors, 100 ton 3 liter Armada. This is again 100. This is 35 ton. This is the supply. These are two punching machines, you can see. A2555 and A2510. Have a look. A2555, A2510 NT. So 2 punching, 4 Armada bending, 1 laser cutting also here, couple of power presses, huge powder coating plant, and tool grinder supplied by us. So have a look. These are